you don't travel light and you want to bring things and you're like, I don't want to have my luggage around the room, I'm going to show you a trick. Hey everybody, 6123. This is a Sky Suite on the 6th floor. We are walking in. You have these great cabinets on the side. I'm going to show you that. You got a cute little window here. You got a nice bathroom. Check that out. And because it's a suite, you have, you know, a little bigger shower area. And of course you have the bathtub. Around the back, we have some shelves. You've got like 4 hooks on here so you can hang things from there. And these all have the bars so you can fill this stuff up with stuff. And it's not gonna come flying off when you're at sea. The bathroom, nice size. Not huge, but a nice size. Here we have your desk area, which I love. A nice full chair. It's not some little chair. Nice and big and fun. You got lots of plugs here. And these all, you know, work the desk area. You're provided with water, you know, your bucket here. It already comes with ice, which is very nice. You have a nice little couch, a 2-seater. Swing around. We have some wine waiting for us. Another one of the nice big chairs. This cabinet here is nice as well. So if you travel with lots of things like I do, you can actually have these little areas here on the side. So if you travel like us and I have a lot of things, you can actually put some of your stuff on the side here. Take the glasses out, put them somewhere else. There's 2 sides like that. You have your mini bar. Choo-choo. So cute. Your TV. Full mirror. And there's that little cute little window there that you can open. See through to the bathroom. And then you have your king bed. Very nice king suite. Now, don't know how much we can see now. We might have to check it out tomorrow because we have arrived late today. Well, let's go out. See what we can see at nighttime. Oh, so this is nice. Cute little couch. And then we always love to sit outside and have some dinner or drinks. So you have 2 chairs and a table. You can come sit out here. And this room is a unobstructed view. So you are clear and you have nothing to look at. You got a little something down there, but it's down there. Who's looking? It's still a boat. What you should do now is check out the closet, because that for me is a big thing. So this here is ginormous. This is my type of closet. These open like, I don't know, you probably can't tell how big it is, but this is a big closet. You have tons of drawers, shelves, you have your safe, which everybody now knows how to get into safe, so I don't keep anything in there. You have room up here. You have your umbrellas that they give you and binoculars, because you never know what you might see at sea. You have your laundry bags if you have or need laundry done. You fill out this little form, put your laundry in, and they come and pick it up. So I think it is time to fill this closet. Okay, so I want to point something out because it's not mentioned a lot, and I know people think about these things. So as you can see, I have another luggage over there. I don't tend to travel light, but if you don't travel light and you want to bring things and you're like, I don't want to have my luggage around the room, I'm going to show you a trick, so I'll come right back. So, shows how it fits under, because this is super cool, and this is a normal size bag that would fit on a plane. So we normally fit 4
and 2 roll-ons.
4 and 2 roll-ons. That's a big thing for me. I got a lot of luggage.
She's really got 4 bags and 2 roll-ons for the 2 of us.
So that is the room. I think if you are planning to stay here, you will enjoy yourself. We have stayed in the same type of room on Celebrity Summit. And we thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. In the suite, they actually send you a message before asking if you want extra blankets, pillows, what you want your temperature set at before you arrive. So that was all done for us, and we're ready to sail.